Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. In this episode, we're making our very own almond milk, and I've added this Asian element in it so it really enhances the flavor. We can call this the fusion almond milk. Did you know that almond milk has more calcium than regular milk? And it's also less acidic. In the homemade version, obviously, we're not going to add the preservative, so it's healthier. And it has 10 times more almonds than the store-bought ones. The store-bought ones only have about 2.5% almonds. So this is the real deal. Now, if you're ready, let's get into it. First, we will add a cup of almonds in a jar or container. Then 2 tablespoons of sweet and bitter apricot kernels. Add 2 to 3 cups of water to allow the almonds to soak overnight or for at least 8 to 12 hours. This softens the almonds and makes them easier to blend. I just left it soaked overnight. Now I'm going to drain the almonds and give them a good rinse. Add the soaked almonds to a blender. Then add 3.5 cups of filtered water. Then throw in 3 soft figs. You can use dates as well, but make sure you remove the pits. Then add 1 tablespoon vanilla. Add a pinch of salt. The salt brings out the flavor and acts as a preservative. Lastly, we're going to add a dash of cinnamon. Since it won't cooperate, I figure it's safer to use a teaspoon. Blend on high for 2 to 3 minutes until the almonds are broken down and the mixture looks creamy and smooth. Now we're going to strain the milk. Here I'm just using a sieve because I'm lazy and I thought it would be easier to just throw the tool into the dishwasher after.
2,000 years later.
That was a terrible idea. Let's use a nut milk bag over a large bowl. Now pour the almond mixture into the bag. Strain the milk and squeeze out as much liquid as possible. A word of caution, do not twist the bag like you are twisting a wet towel. Just squeeze. Otherwise, this could happen. Yep, the bag broke.
Great!
Just be gentle and squeeze. By the way, if you want to receive notifications for all my videos, make sure you change the setting from personalized to all after you've subscribed. Otherwise, you'll only get selected ones. And there we go. Transfer the almond milk to a jar or covered bottle and refrigerate. Wow, that was easy to make. But you know what's even easier? Taste testing this. So let me just try it out. So soothing, and it's so potent compared to the ones from the store. And I just love the sweet and bitter apricot kernel. It really brings out the flavor, enhances it. And also, I didn't really want to add too much cinnamon into it because I didn't want to overpower the sweet and bitter apricot kernels. But you can add more if you like cinnamon. And if you don't like the sweet and bitter apricot kernels, you can omit it as well. Either way, it's way healthier than the store-bought ones and way tastier than the ones you buy from the supermarket. And it will keep for 4 to 6 days. By the way, it pairs very well with my healthy banana bread that I made from the other episode and also from the healthy fudgy protein brownies. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.